Hey everyone, Sheevaun here, driving for your success. And we recently did a poll in our email list. And one of the things that somewhat surprised me was about how much pain people wanted to be out of, physical pain people wanted to be out of. And I've trained many thousands of people how to use energy to heal their bodies and basically heal the world. And I wanted to address this a little bit. The pain that you have in your body is pain that you have somewhere in your conversation around money. Whether you believe this or not, however much you have, however little you have, wherever you are, has to do with money. Not just money itself, but the overall supply that you believe or allow to be available into your world. So what is it that has you in pain? Maybe your soul has you trying to connect and go and take another step. Maybe your purpose and your mission on the planet is to achieve something greater than what you're doing right now. And that's actually going to cause pain in the body to get you to pay attention. And then maybe you're getting stuck in trying to solve the pain, and you're focusing on the pain. So what you put your energy on is what is going to become the truth and your reality. So what your inner world is doing is going to be in your outer world, and what your outer world is doing is going to be in your inner world. So it behooves you to clean up the money conversation. It behooves you to clean up what you do around pain. Now, it doesn't mean you ignore the pain, because definitely I tried that. I ended up in the emergency room and got sick and nearly died. So that's not a good idea. However, it really is about looking at where the pain may have originated, how it originated, and what is going on in your head around it. So what is it that you are in pain around that you want to see different? Let's look at the money. Think about that. I'd love for you to comment below and subscribe. And if you're watching this anywhere other than on my website, go to SheevaunMoran.com. We have tons of free downloads there for you. We've got some free training. But really look around and realize energetics, the energy of something in your world is going to cause a money challenge and vice versa. But if we solve the energy, the cool part about it is if we solve the energy, the money starts to work. I know that doesn't make sense. That's not generally what we're taught, but that's what I've seen for tens of thousands of people over these past over 15 years. So subscribe, check it out. This is Sheevaun Moran. Go to SheevaunMoran.com. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next Driving for Your Success.